Halo Asraf, selamat malam. Tes tes. Kedengeran Asraf? Masih di mute. Halo, halo Asraf. Udah? Dinyalain mikrofonnya Asraf. Masih mati. Coba kedengeran nggak? Halo? Masih mati itu mikrofonnya Asraf. Nyalain dulu. Nah, sip. Apa kabar Asraf?
Exer.
Kabar baik, ya, Alhamdulillah. Kita mulai aja ya untuk kelas kita hari ini Asraf. Asraf masih ingat kan terakhir kali belajar apa?
Buat
Buat
hmm,
tembakan ya. Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang simulator ya, alias mobil-mobil. Bentar. Nah, simulator. Apa itu simulator? Asraf,
motor.
pernah dengar apa itu simulator? Bentar ya. Jadi, nanti Ashraf akan coba membuat simulator pertama Ashraf. Caranya gimana untuk membuat simulator? Kamu nanti akan coba membuat ada satu tombol. Ya, tombolnya nanti bisa kita klik dan dia bisa ngesumon sebuah mobil. Oke? Kayak gitu ya. Jadi nanti tampilannya seperti apa? Nih, nanti akan ada tombol spawn. Sama nanti ketika dia diklik tombol delete-nya, maka mobilnya pun akan terhapus. Oke? Gampang ya?
Oke.
Nah, itu yang akan kita buat hari ini. Ada pertanyaan dulu, Ashraf?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada ya? Kalau nggak ada, nanti Ashraf buka yang nomor 25. Silakan Ashraf, boleh share screen. Udah 25, Ashraf. Scroll ke atas. Udah? Di-download? Sip, kalau Gonovanya lagi. Cek kalau sudah ke Algonova. Ke Algonova apa buka Roblox studionya ya sore. Ke base plate. Oke, sebentar. Langkah pertama yang perlu dibuat adalah kamu coba Asraf bukanya yang udah di-download tadi ya. Jangan dari base plate coba ke folder. Nah, yang download bukan paling atas ya. Nah, sudah. Pertama adalah coba Asraf berarti ke toolbox cari mobil ya. Cari car, ketik car. Nah, tambahin satu mobil Asraf. Bebas. Ya, bebas tambahin satu mobil. Dah, kemudian kita coba tambahin adalah ke server storage, tambahin satu folder di Explorer. Asraf ke Explorer, itu yang di samping kanan. Server storage, cari scroll ke bawah. Nah, tuh server storage, klik tombol plus, folder, lalu ganti namanya jadi cars. Nah, lalu mobil yang ini ganti namanya jadi car satu. Scroll ke atas. Nah, mhm. Masukin car satunya ke dalam folder cars ya. Ya, masukin ke dalam. Nah, kemudian tambahin screen GUI di starter GUI. Starter GUI itu bawahnya. Klik tombol plus. Udah, tambahin folder. Apa tambahin apa apa namanya tadi? Screen GUI. Kemudian di situ tambahin image button ya. Di screen GUI-nya tambahin image button. Nah, tambahin dua ya. Nah, kemudian digeser ini ke bawahnya. Kliknya yang di atasnya coba. Yang atasnya ini yang diklik. Nah, tuh geser. Ke sini aja. Udah. Jangan saling nimpa. Nah ya. Udah. Ganti namanya jadi spawn car sama delete car ya. Udah. Kemudian kamu select an icon. Oh, ini di publish dulu Ashraf. Klik tombol file lalu publish to Roblox. Ya, publish to Roblox. Udah. Di sini cari spawn car. Ini di calls dulu ya. Diganti modelnya jadi di calls. Diklik dulu Asraf. Modelnya jadi D Charles. D Charles, D Charles. Ya, kemudian ini cari apa namanya? Spawn car. Diketik spawn car kayak gini nih. Mana kayak tadi spawn car, spawn car. Ayo dicari Asraf. Udah. Ini diklik tombol. Enggak, jangan digituin. Klik tombol plusnya. Lalu diklik titik tiganya di sini. Copy asset ID. Udah. Kemudian di scroll ke bawah. Di Explorer.
We're all on these journeys looking for those magical moments of connection. And sometimes they happen. This is where real power and authority and influence come from. When we
Ini di starter gue-nya klik.
pretend this is what they're doing. And that's what you're going to teach us today.
Ketiganya diklik.
Professor Allison Woodbrooks, welcome to the Mel Robbins podcast. I'm so happy to be here, Mel. Thank you. So excited to just dig into your research and learn everything that we can in this crazy popular class that you teach at Harvard Business School. But here's where I want to start. There's a person listening right now,
Scroll ke bawah.
and yet they found time and made time to be with you and me right now. What
Cari image, placeholder.
expect to change about their life if they take everything that you're about to teach us and they try it and they put it to use? If they really take what
Ketik aja deh, image.
I think everything about their life could get better. Your love life, your relationship with your children, your relationship with your parents,
Nah, scroll ke bawah. Itu tuh, placeholder.
colleagues,
Kelawat di atas.
together, everything, every person you know, every relationship in your life is a repeated sequence of conversations over time. So even if each of those conversations get a little bit better, this short time that we have on the earth, everything about it is going to get better. Wow.
Tuh, placeholdernya klik.
It's going to get better. Why does communication matter so much? Everything, everything. So you can think of every
Ini hapus.
life as this repeated sequence of.
Ya, hapus yang atas.
And if you zero
Paste.
each one of those conversations, it's a series of tiny
Control V, enter.
every moment of every conversation, and we're about to do it right now, Mel. Every
Eh,
moment you're making these choices. What should we be talking about?
udah di copy belum? Ini titik tiganya klik dulu.
When should
Copy asset ID.
should we be crying? When should we have a question? When should I share something of myself? We're making these tiny
Untuk
micro
placeholder itu image-nya.
and it's going to
Ini
determine
image di properties.
do together, what we're
Iya,
able to accomplish together, what we're able to learn about each
paste.
other. How we talk is who we are and what we're able to do in the world. I love
Ntar.
it because I was sitting here thinking, I hope that she can help me not have so many regrets. Because I think a lot of us leave a conversation are like, oh, I wish I
Nah,
had said that or
sip itu cari di Light Car, lakukan hal yang sama
the power.
di toolbox-nya.
By small shifts in these interactions that we have with people at work, in our love life, in our families, that can change everything. And you have earned the right to talk about this and to teach us this because you create
Udah itu tinggal cari aja. Kamu hapus aja langsung. Spawn car yang ganti.
Harvard Business School course. It is called Talk, How to Talk Gooder in Business and Life. And I'm not that good with grammar, being dyslexic, but I know that gooder is probably not the right word. So, but I have a feeling it's intentional. Why the hell do you call it How to Talk Gooder in Business and Life? I have to tell you, getting that course title approved by the administrator, by the powers that be at Harvard, is one of the greatest accomplishments of my professional life. It's sitting next to so many serious courses like democracy in America and capitalism in today's age. It was intentional. It has a few different meanings. Of course, it's grammatically
Nah,
incorrect, which drives.
diklik lagi tombol tambahnya.
But there's two meanings. A huge part of the course is about balancing gravity and levity.
Lalu klik titik tiga copy asset ID ke di Light Car.
Conversation. Take our work very seriously, but in order to do that, to also maintain a spirit of play and fun. We should have fun together. We are safe. The one thing also, it's really rooted in those words good. We're going to work toward the goal of kindness. We want to be people when we're talking. So I want to hear the story behind what made want to even create this course. Because if you're really thinking about it, you've got
Terus
11% acceptance rate. Aren't the people going
eh,
to school already good at communicating? No, this is what everybody thinks.
di spawn car-nya, kamu klik tombol plus local script.
Originally recruited to be on the faculty at Harvard, I was recruited to teach a course on negotiation. And by the way,
Spawn car.
negotiation course at Harvard is like legendary. Yeah, some of the
Spawn car salah.
sort of the founders of this framework that is now taught at every business school, at every law school. It's really an incredible course. Why were they recruiting you? I don't mean to be rude, but then what were you doing?
Local script.
No, we gotta have Professor Brooks here. Well, I went to grad school. I went to grad school and a business school at Wharton in Philadelphia. I was a
Local script.
humans and people and figuring us all out, and I was a behavioral
Kok
scientist.
Sparkle sih?
Grad school, I spent my time studying emotion,
Nah ya.
the way that we feel on the inside.
Terus ganti namanya local script jadi kayak gini.
And one
Color
of the
script.
places that I studied emotions was in negotiations. When you put people in these difficult situations, how do they feel?
Ganti namanya.
Behavior
Rename.
they're able to do when they're negotiating. Well, that's super cool. So this is your area of expertise. You get recruited to go to Harvard Business School to teach this course in negotiation. What happened? Yeah, so I was there. I taught
Ini di propertiesnya hapus nih.
amazing.
Yeah, boleh.
You spend time practicing in doing these role plays of, okay, you're the manager of a factory and you need to negotiate and procure some of these hard things. Or, oh, now you're going to negotiate for a new house. Okay, let's do that. Let's go practice. You do these role plays. Okay, you learn great frameworks about how to do it better. But even as I was teaching this great class,
Ya, lalu ini skripnya nih, copy dari chat-Zoom.
value from it, that we were missing something. Okay. When I think about negotiations, you realize how often are you doing this? Maybe you're negotiating for a new car, or a new house, or a higher salary. I don't know, maybe once every 2 months, maybe. And what I started to realize is like, wait, but we have to talk to people all day long, every day. And I don't think of those as negotiations. That seems like a different nut to crack. Yeah. And many of our students at Harvard are actually already quite strategic.
Ya.
So some of the lessons are
Kemudian
pretty intuitive to them. We're taking strategic people and like teaching them to be even more strategic. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. I think what these people need might be
kamu klik kanan di color scriptnya,
engaging and fun and funny and interesting and dynamic and more empathic.
duplicate.
Where's the course that can help them to do that? And there was one. They've tried many ways over the years, and none of them have really done. Okay, so you come up with this course called Talk, and
Duplicate.
your research. Why is communication so challenging?
Pindahin ke delete card juga.
It's challenging for a million reasons. When you think, if you ask me to make a list of
Terus di screen GUI tambahin frame.
I would go on and on. Choose the wrong topic. I forget to raise the topic that we should
Klik tombol plus frame.
enough questions. We ask too many questions. We talk too much about ourselves. We don't focus enough on the other person. We brag. We humble brag. We give back into compliments. We do all of
Kamu pindahin ke sini
the laundry list is so
frame-nya.
it feels almost insurmountable. And
Geser ini frame-nya.
like, wait, but people can't keep all of those things in their heads all the time. What they really need is a simple framework that can help them
Ya,
their arms
digedein aja.
solution of complexity
Segini nih.
in a conversation. When you look under the hood of a conversation, you start to realize how complex it really is. And that's what you're going to teach us today. This simple framework. Professor Brooks, before we jump into
Terus tambahin image button.
class and all of the research that you've done on the science of communication, can you just tell me
Ganti namanya jadi car 1.
how exactly becoming a better communicator impact you for real? Yeah, becoming a better communicator is going to help you gain and maintain higher status. What does that mean?
Ini diganti ke tengah.
What I mean is likability, respect, power, what the kids these days
Asik.
is, right?
Kemudian kamu cari di sini gambar car.
Have power in their groups, at work, in their
Lalu ganti lagi gambarnya pakai car itu.
So when you hear me say high status, I'm not talking about like fancy or highfalutin or what social class you're in. Got it.
Hapus itu.
Are you respected? Do you have power? Do you have it?
Mana itu gambarnya tadi?
Everything.
Diandu, diandu.
Wow. So learning to be a better communicator by really taking all this science of communication that you teach at Harvard Business School.
Control Z, Control Z.
You'll have more respect. You'll have more.
Eh,
Whether you're talking about in your home with your family, or you're talking about with your colleagues, or you're talking about in the classroom or the hospital you work with, we're really talking about your ability to not only.
di sini kamu klik dulu di sini. Baru Control Z dong.
That's right, and have a little fun while you're doing it. All right, well, let's dig into all of your research. What do you think is
Tuh,
the
kamu cari di sini. Kamu klik dulu, baru bisa dihapus.
people can.
Nggak bisa kamu langsung hapus tanpa klik.
I was forced to choose the single biggest reason is our human nature of egocentrism. That's a big word. What does that mean? Yeah, self-centered. We're self-centered. We're self-focused. Our brains are built for survival. We're focused on what is my
Copy lalu di paste aja langsung.
yours and stay alive and sort of proliferate my own life and protect my family. And egocentric, that self-focus is good for survival back when we were hunters and gatherers. But in today's day and age, it also holds us back from really connecting with other people. You have to relentlessly sort of fight against your self-centered instincts to really focus on another person. Well, that's true, because you go into a conversation sort of with that default mode of like, what's in this for me? Yeah. And if you're thinking about it from what's in it for you, you're probably already starting off on the wrong.
Terus
You know, I recently read research, Professor
di
Brooks,
frame-nya, kamu klik frame-nya.
getting versus communicating. Do you think that's true? I don't know.
Ini dihapus propertiesnya.
I think
Visible-nya matiin dulu.
human beings have probably always struggled with conversation. Let me back up for a moment. In the book, we talk about conversation as a coordination game. The coordination game is any sort of decision you need to make independently between two or more people where you can't communicate. So the game of chicken is a good example where you're sort of hurtling towards each other and you have to choose, do I veer left or veer right? Both people have to choose without talking to each other. They have to coordinate, okay? So a conversation is a little
Ini ganti apa ini cari visible. Tuh, tuh, visible. Tadi scroll atas. Nah, matiin. Kemudian di screen GUI-nya tambahin script.
Wait a minute, the person listening, I know me, has somebody in their life they have to deal with that they can't quite communicate with. Yeah. It can get very frustrating. Yeah. And, you know, we don't even think of it because that's
Nih, prepare a chat topic.
I think all of us get wrong when it comes to communication. Oh.
Habis baterai itu Asraf. Laptop kamu mati nanti.
Starts you from a place of getting you off on a bad foot, and you're often focusing on yourself the whole way along. Researchers have sort of found consensus on this idea that failures in perspective taking, being able to understand the other person's point of view in their mind, is the single greatest barrier to conflict resolution and to connection. And that's true at every moment of every conversation. We struggle to understand what the other person is thinking, feeling, and what they're going to think next. We rely on our own beliefs, our own opinions, our own feelings to guess how somebody else is feeling. And we're really bad at guessing. You know, I've already learned something, which is I assumed, and I'm sure we'll get into it, that being a better communicator is about speaking differently. And what you're already kind of signaling is, wait a minute, if you can't actually understand that communicating is about connecting with somebody and being able to stop yourself and truly step into somebody else's shoes and imagine what they might be feeling, if you can't do that, you can't communicate. Is that what you're basically saying? That's exactly right. Because conversation is co-constructive. It's between two people.
Keluar applicated storage, ditambahin remote event. Di sini nih. Klik tombol plus, remote event.
Not getting a response. Dialogue is about back and forth. You take turns.
Remote event yang kedua.
Don't know what your partner's going to say.
Ya, ganti namanya jadi spawn card.
It's co-created. So it's really not about you. It's about you plus the other person and what you can build together. I love that. And
tambahin lagi, ganti namanya jadi delete card.
Framework that helps us communicate more effectively. Can you tell me what the four-part framework is? Yes, very briefly. T stands for topics. A stands for asking. L is for levity. K is for kindness.
Tambahin lagi.
You take an entire semester at
tambahin lagi.
To
remote event
framework, but today Professor
di situ.
teach us this four-part framework step by step. So let's start with the first part. T. T is for topics. So topics are the things we talk about, right? If I asked you after this recording to look back and say, what did we talk about? Your brain would be really good at organizing and categorizing. Oh, well, we talked about your course, and then we talked about topics, and then this. So our brains are really good at chunking things into segments, into topics. Okay. Which is so helpful in practice because it means that we can use that ability to steer topics while we're talking to each other. But don't you have to be really good at communicating in order to steer the topics? You do not have to be good. You just have to know that it's happening. And so I think often when you say like what topic you're going to talk about, people think about the opening topic. Like, well, let's do this at the scene. How would you use the T topic, part of the four-part framework.
Kemudian ke server script service, tambahin script. Ditambahin, ganti namanya jadi car spawner. Ya itu. Klik tombol plus script.
What restaurant they're going to meet at, what activity they're going to do. Yep. We do all of this prep work ahead of time. Only 10% of people think about what they're going to talk about once they get there.
Scriptnya.
So much time.
Dari link chat Zoom ya, di copy.
Making the reservation at the restaurant. At the same time, you should be thinking about what are some things that'll be fun for us to talk about once we're together. So topic prep. That's step number one. Think ahead. Wow. And you could do that for anything. You could do that if you're getting together as a family. So if you're tired of the same old with your family, Like think about interesting things that you could
Di copy dari lokal server storage.
teach yourself to be good
Nah,
at topic prep if you've never even
tarik bawah.
just start doing it. What do you mean?
Oke,
A lot
copy.
of people are very averse to topic prep, especially with people they know well. They feel like they shouldn't need to plan topics for someone that they're very close to. They'll just know what to talk about once they're together. I'm guilty of that. Yeah, it's normal. A lot of people feel that way. Which is why we then go, how are your kids and how is work and what's
Look
going
at the
on?
weather. Let's talk about the appetizer in front of us on the table. We tend to grab things that are right there in our environment that are easy to talk about.
Okay.
Ini car spawner ya, bukan car spawn.
Little bit of forethought, and we have research on this. We've studied people who we asked to even spend 30 seconds ahead of a conversation brainstorming possible topics that they could talk about. Then we let them go and have their conversation.
Terus di
Walk in and have the
di
conversation.
delete car-nya,
The people who have
scroll ke atas.
30 seconds, even if they don't
Enggak, scroll bawah.
their conversation is better. It's more
Delete car nih, tambahin local script lagi.
You know those little panicky moments when you're not sure, you know that
Delete car, baca.
yeah.
Ya, plus local script.
You've got options like in your back pocket, in your mind. Oh yeah,
Nih,
I need to remember
scriptnya.
about their kid and dad tried out for the
Dari chat Zoom.
right? So you've always got an option, a backup plan for the panicky moments. Turns out it makes the conversation much more enjoyable as well. You tend to switch topics a little more frequently. More like
Ya, kemudian di car 1 ini, tambahin local script.
So if the person listening right now is super introverted, yeah, very shy, and they're now having a panic attack,
Nanti namanya jadi script car.
I gotta come with topics. What is the best way to help you become good at doing this if you don't think that this is going to come naturally to you?
totally. I think the first thing is don't have a panic attack. This might be the greatest art tool that you've ever added to your arsenal as an introvert in your life. Because so much of why introverts feel panicked once they're in social situations is that they don't know what to say. They don't really want to.
Ya, ini nih scriptnya dari chat Zoom.
Having some
Di copy ya.
eases all of that. And once you experience the magic of topic in action, you're like, oh my God, this is it. I should have been doing this my whole life. For the most part, you know who you're going to see in a day. You might know the specific people, whether it's your kids and your spouse, and then this set of colleagues, and then knowing who you're going to see means that you can prep topics for all of them in a personalized way.
So walk me through the day.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going through the day. You wake up.
That's it. Boleh replay?
You get on the school bus, and you're talking to your spouse. You can think about ahead of time. What are each of my kids doing today? What are their pain points? What are they probably feeling excited about? What are they nervous
Nah,
about?
itu klik spawnnya.
They're like, do they have band at school? Instead of just being like, remember your trumpet,
Diklik.
you could be like, how is band? What's going on? When you're in band, how do you feel? What do you
Ke delete car-nya.
right? Like that's could
Loh,
be
kok
so
spawn car-nya
much
nggak muncul?
more interesting than just like just remember your trumpet and they rush out the door.
Then you get to work, and your colleague who's kind of quiet.
Ya, ya udahlah ini dipublish dulu aja.
I mean, if
Ini harusnya kayak gini ya tampilannya nih.
that it's a colleague that you love and you're thinking about their life.
Di stop dulu aja, serap dipublish.
Child, I mean, ask about how that's going. You know, having a new child is a traumatic and dramatic thing. How's it
Kamu
going?
coba download dari di stop dulu game ya, nggak bisa dipublish kalau belum di stop.
Presentation last week. How did it go? What was good about it? What was hard? Anything I can help you with on it?
Now give me one for my mom and dad because I have the same
File publish Roblox. Nah ini udah, itu klik link yang ada di chat Zoom ya, Asraf.
So
Boleh di download lalu buka.
for my parents, she actually used ChatGPT to ask to prep topics with them.
How do you do that?
So she typed in to ChatGPT. She was like, "What do you think people who live in upstate New York in their 70s who have 9 grandchildren? What are the types of questions that they want me to ask them?" What?
Di download dulu, baru habis itu dibuka.
You know, the internet knows that demographic better than we as individuals could possibly know that demographic.
I can literally hear the person listening tap, 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 tap about everybody in their life.
Everyone in your life, you could use it to prep topic. You could even say, ChatGPT, what do you think this colleague who doesn't really like me because of this reason, and we got in an argument once about this thing,
Nah, dibuka.
what would they want me to do? What would they want to talk about with you? It's wild.
You know,
Yeah.
you're really smart. You should consider teaching a class like that. What is the second part of the talk framework for communication.
Oh, itu di close dulu Asraf, Robloxnya yang lagi kebuka.
Yeah, ask
Ini di close dulu yang ini.
better questions.
Now you're making me panic because I don't know if my question's going to be better. What is a better question?
You're already a great question answer. I mean, look, you prep topics and
Yes.
you're asking so many questions. We're already off to a great start, Mel. So what's so funny is a pattern that you might pick up on here is that in every conversation, once you're in it, it's very overwhelming. You're making tons of choices.
Nah, ini buka.
Listen to what the other person is saying. You're trying to process it. You're trying to do this tiny creativity task of how do I come up with something interesting to say back to them. That's really hard on your brain. That's a lot of cognitive effort. So anything you can do ahead of the conversation, like topic prep, is helpful. And any sort of trick that you can have during the conversation can also be helpful. And that's why asking questions is such a superpower. You don't need to have prepped it ahead of time. All you need to do is listen to what your partner is saying.
Nggak bisa ya? Coba dibuka lagi. Dibukanya dari sini Asraf.
How can asking better questions or asking more questions improve connection
Nah, ini buka nih.
Our inability to understand other
Kita download ini, ya, Rice Map.
conflict management and connection. The antidote to that is question asking. It is a direct pathway to get what's in your head out of your head and share it with me. In my class, we do an exercise called never-ending follow-up questions.
Kok nggak bisa ya?
I feel like we're about to do this. Yes.
Do you want to
okay.
try it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask questions and you answer, and then maybe we can switch roles.
Okay.
Okay.
Ya udah, nanti ini laptopnya di restart dulu Asraf, nanti harusnya udah bisa. Asraf ada pertanyaan dulu nggak?
It was this protein powder and a little bit of honey
Nggak ada.
and
Ya udah, sip. Nanti di restart terus dinyalain lagi Roblox studionya ya. Harusnya dia udah bisa. Oke? Kalau Asraf nggak ada pertanyaan, kasih kita cukupkan. Nanti kita ketemu lagi di pertemuan berikutnya. Dadah, Asraf. Selamat malam.
It depends
No,
on
understand.